Hi guys, what's up? Like I have already admitted to you guys that I love eating foods and explore new places. So guess where am I right now? Okay, it's Bhubaneswar, Odisha. So now I'm gonna show you the food item which Odisha people are really in love with. And you know what's that? That's called bada. Basically it's the pakodi. We Bengali people call like aloo pakora, like that only. যেটা আমি বুঝেছি, it is basically their ভালোবাসা. 2-3 types pakodis are there, like aloo bara, gulgula, peaji, and they also serve puri with gugni, and samosas are little small samosas. Those are actually really so much tasty, no doubt. That's very the crunch and the taste are just amazing, no doubt. But the thing is, like, there are so many people, so many friends are there in my profile from other states or maybe from other countries. They don't know that how much Odisha people love this bada, that they can have it anytime, like in the morning, in the breakfast, in the evening snacks, in the lunch, and in the dinner also, maybe, I don't know, but I believe, because every time they are selling those pakoras and every time people are loving to eat it. Just, I am a Bengal girl and I personally like this kind of bhajis, mainly this deep fried snacks in the evening time. I prefer it, but yes, it's their culture, we cannot do it anything. So guys, when you are in Odisha, pakodi is a must try. Don't miss out on it. Pakodi is the ultimate comfort food in Odisha. If you want to discover the flavor of Odisha, try it out and thank me later. Okay, so there are 1 or 2 more delicious items in Odisha which are very much famous, but I'm gonna tell you about those items in my next videos. But surely badas are the best one. Okay, so unlike other people, now I am enjoying my bada and I'm gonna end up this video, and you have to say that how much you love to have badas, and if you haven't tried it yet, so you are gonna try it next time. So as I always say, keep watching my videos, and until my next video, bye bye.